Gentlemen of YouTube, now we're going to go ahead and change a window regulator on an 04 Cadillac Escalade EXT, I believe. This window refuses to go down, refuses to go up. I did take it apart once and grease the motor, but hell, for the 80 bucks, I just went ahead, I ordered the window regulator. Let's just get it done. First step, we're going to jump right in, start popping things off here. I believe we've got a bolt hidden down and in here. Come on, up and off. There we go, up and off of here. Got that off. We're going to pop off this little cappy here because looks like there's a T20 hidden under there. Hey, that's where those went. I was looking everywhere for them. Let me get all this crap out of this door panel here. Oh, God. There's so much crap in there. Got an injector in there. When I replace the injectors in here. Come on. Up and off. Pop this light. Pull the bulb. Hang out in there for right now. Looks like we've got two caps here. Oh yeah, you're just a push-in style. I should have got one of the forking thingies for this, but didn't. They tend to pop out pretty easily. Daughter on the quad decides now's a good time to ride past me. Okay, so let me check the, I'm gonna have to check the trunk. Oh, all right. Well, now that we managed to find our T20, we're gonna go ahead, pull this screw out. Nice and carefully. And it looks like we have what looks to be an 8mm here, maybe? No, smaller. It's been a little while since I had one of these doors apart. Yeah. Nope, smaller than that. Thanks, huh? Got a whole bucket of sockets here. Let's find out if one of y'all fit it. Alright. And of course, all my stuff is going to fight today because I'm streaming. Normally, this stuff goes pretty smooth. Guessing it's an 8mm. Well, hold on one sec. Okay, so this goofy little turd is a 7mm. Wow, what a pain in the butt. This car is like multi-different sockets, and I've never, when I did have it apart, I put all the hardware back. I forgot. Should be running my impact gun. I went and got my impact gun from the garage and the extension for it. So I don't feel like sitting there playing with a ratchet for 3 years. Just putting my stuff here on the floor. Now you should, you do have what looks like maybe one. I don't know. Let's find out. No, I don't think so. Now let's see here. Will it just pop off? So, suppose there we go. You just lift off. Unplug these. Boom. 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 Oh yeah, don't forget about our heated seat controls here because we don't want to damage those. So door panels off. Now I'm going to carefully pull off the zip tape that I put here. the last time I was in here. Yeah, they said the plastic's important, so I wasn't taking no chances. Alright, now we're here to the window regulator. Just gently peel that plastic back. Looks like we have bolt there, which is an oddball bolt. That's odd. Why do you do this crap, GM? Maybe they don't. Okay, so that's different. Okay, good. So we're going to slam a 10. Get on here. I should take this window shut, and that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I taped the window. I've loosened these two bolts because I didn't realize that my phone wasn't recording. And I've taken this bolt and this bolt out. Now we're going to come over here to this bolt. And this bolt. And this whole entire window regulator should just go. Let's unplug her here. Come on, turd. How does everything fight? Come on. What in the world? Ask me if I care about the old regulator, because I don't. There we go. Okay. So what is still... Oh, there's a third bolt there. Well, maybe there's 4 of the bolts that sucker in. Well, 6, sorry. Maybe. Just gonna undo them all. Okay. Come on, first turn. I've had 2 out already. There's 1. Let go. Thank you. There's 2. Great, now I'm getting all greasy. Here. What have you got me? Oh, there you are. Yes, we understand. Alright, old window regulator. Alright, on. Let me see if we can't break this stupid zip tie they put on for no reason other than to be a pain in the butt. Okay. Oh, look at that, another one. Hey, we gonna make it fit in the box. You sure are. There we go. Alright. Seems to be untangled. Alright, good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, in the door we go. Sneak that side in first. And sneak this side in next. Doink, doink. Okay, buddy. Where's that hanger? There you are. Boink. Okay, there's our other hole right there. Beautiful. Alright. Oh, let's not jump out of your spot here. Thank you. Lock that in. Okay, hold on. You can like a... I got it. Kinda. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I do. I don't like that bolt. Too long. Okay. We're going to go ahead. Send it to 150 foot-pounds. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. Just give her a couple of okey-dokes. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, wow. You already did this side, huh? Good job. Thank you. Makes my life a little bit easier. Okay.
I try.
So, we put in these 2 bolts. I'm probably going to have my beautiful wife grab the keys and put this window up. tighten this one. Hold on 1 second there, beautiful wife. I need the connector. Uh-oh. Come on, connector. Ugh. There we go. Okay. Now, will it go up? Without the controller, probably not. Okay. Let me plug in the controller right quick. And we'll see if we can get it to go up. So, I may plug in my power window here. Oh, turd. It should butt back up and in there. There she is. Lock. There's that one. Alright, try it now. Alright, let it go up. Whoa, whoa. Good. Now we'll loosen. Uh-oh. Oh, really? Come on. Go ahead and push the up. Oh, nope, nope, don't. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, hold on here. Roll it down just a touch. Go ahead. Come on down. Come on down. Keep going. Whoa. Whoa.
It's auto.
Bring it down some. Keep coming. Whoa, right there. Okay, turd. Now up. Keep going. 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 There we go. Going. Going. Yep, we're locked in. Alright. Now we'll pull this off. Go ahead. Up and down with it.
Again?
Go down. Yep.
Yep.
Up. That sounds good. Okay, so right here's a window track, which decided it was going to do whatever it wanted. Now, part of the window track right here decided it was just going to, yeah, whatever. Doesn't want to. Okay. There we go. And let's go ahead and tighten that up. All right, down. Good. Up. That'll do. Now we got a working power window on this side.
Yes, you do.
So we're going to go ahead and put this door back together. One more time, up and down. I like to make sure. Up. Yeah, I want to make sure that's not bound. That's beautiful. All right. Ain't perfect, but doesn't have to be. It's held into place. So, yeah, no, I have that one. That's for the driver's side, Brittany. Where did my extension go with that socket on it? What? Am I losing my mind, people? I think I am. I think my mind is losing it. We're going to go ahead and put that goofy little thing back on there. There we go. Now where did my little extension go? It was right here. Funnily enough, it's no longer here. What in the world? Alright. Where'd that go? Oh, seriously. Like, it shouldn't have went anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back inside the door. This goes here, like so. While the wife's trying to find
I can't with you stick.
the itty bitty extension.
No, I will help you step out of the way.
We found the socket after much cursing and swearing, and don't know where it went. No, we found it. It just somehow decided it didn't want to be in the video anymore. Got upset, decided to stay out the video. There's that one. And here is, I had a longer one there, right there. Okay. Put this goofy screw back in. There we go. Now there should be a push pin. There it is. Push pin. In we go. Boink. Lock. This guy goes down on the bottom here. That one done. Then for this guy. Little cover back on. Turn the key on. Look at that. Oh yeah, it works good. Flawless. But that's how you replace a window regulator, guys. Till the next one.